scared himself. I don't know. Here you go. You can lay down now. Yeah, that's right. At least someone's really happy. Are you happy? Did we get that wink on camera? Hi guys, how are we today? This is a new vlog. It's going to be all about makeup pretty much because one, I have to clean out my makeup. Two, someone has asked me to talk about what makeup I use for my auditions and things like that. And three, I have a Princess Polly like mini haul thing. So I thought I'd just do that all in one because it made sense. So we're just gonna go through my makeup and yeah, see what things are in here. What I love is the fact that, you know, I haven't looked in here for a very long time and then you find things that you forgot you had. Is that right, Mum?
Yes.
Got these nail polishes. Then we have this. Is this all we have, Mum?
Yeah.
And then we have all that stuff. So we're gonna go through it. That's not a lot. I was expecting a lot more. Is this color any good?
That's nice.
I don't remember ever wearing it much. Do you want it? No? This one's nice. I remember getting this in a, I was a brand ambassador for, what was that? Pack. I used to always get that pack in the US. And this came with it. And honestly, one of the best gel looking nail polishes.
I can't remember what it was. Tarte?
No, Mum.
I need to go and get those
A
clothes.
liquid, I've never understood this.
I'll have that if you want.
You have it.
You spray it and it dries it straight away.
But then there's like you spray it on your fingers and there's all this.
It used to be a brush. It was better.
Old. Yeah, when it was a brush, I liked it.
I never wear that.
This one's really pretty. In the light especially. Essie's really good. That's the one that I used to always use when I was in the US. This one's really shit, but I actually like the color because it's so out there. But you have to literally put like 3 coats on, otherwise it looks like you've kind of just gone over your fingers with a highlighter.
I might keep this going up my toenails.
Okay.
Our comfort food hasn't gone for this lockdown. For this 100th lockdown that we're in.
Are you talking to me at the camera, Mum?
I'm talking to the camera but you're not looking at it.
Literally just going through some of this stuff, these headbands. I have to do something tomorrow, which I'll probably talk to you guys about later, but we have to be wacky. So I'm pretty sure these are pretty wacky and they mismatch really well that it just works. But does everyone remember these? Did anyone wear these in the early 2000s? Because I swear, High Five, the people from High Five, that girl Charlie, always used to wear these and I always used to wear these. Like, I remember when I was a kid. Do you want these?
Me? No.
Yeah. Though this could be good to keep off my face when I'm cleaning my hair. Remember these?
Yeah.
Oh my god. They were the most uncomfortable things, yet we would always wear them.
Oh, you know, girls.
I don't understand.
Whatever makes them uncomfortable, as long as they think they look good.
So my character is Nataleigh, and I am the kooky auntie, and I had to wear a mismatching thing, big jewelry, and it said big glasses, blue eyeshadow, and put a little thing there. I can't do that. And then put glitter, made my cheeks really pink. Honestly, this reminds me of back in the old days in YouTube when I, what was her name? I'll put her here. That's what this reminds me of. Anyway, what I'm doing, or what we're doing, is a virtual mystery party. It's like a Cluedo thing where everyone becomes a character. It's for my cousin's birthday, so it's gonna be fun. But thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. Went all out. But I am actually digging this glitter, which I would like to do more often. Okay, so I have got this Princess Polly thing that I want to open up. I haven't ever bought anything from Princess Polly before, and I thought I'd wait till this video to show it to you, since we're talking about makeup and it's a very fashion-y sort of video vlog thing that I don't usually do, but I'm trying to make my vlogs like around a theme. I know in this there's not much. I got socks and sunglasses. Now sunglasses, we'll see, because I kind of went out of my comfort zone because I'm trying to like do a lot of different things and not just stay safe. You know what I mean? This little Princess Polly. We are committed to switching our plastic packaging to be fully compostable. Yeah, I honestly didn't expect a black bag. I expected it to be on brand and it wasn't. And ah, this is a completely compostable bag. This is not your traditional plastic bag. This one is partially made from plants and is completely compostable. Am I even saying that right? Compostable? I don't know. Compostable? I don't know. When you toss it in with your home compost, it will break down just like organic waste, leaving no nasty chemicals behind. What a vibe. No compost? No worries. Head to princesspolly.com/packaging for more options. I will give this to my father, but the thing is this compost? Can't show you where I live. Is this compostable? Or do I literally have to take this sticker off? Oh, the sticker comes off really, really easily. I'm sure they... Ooh, I spoke too soon. I'm sure they thought about that because... Yeah, okay. That's why it's black. Probably because colours and stuff, it's just not around yet. Did I only get 2 socks? I thought I got 3. Anyway, these are cute. This is the ribbed ruffle socks baby pink. I'll kind of do a little try on, I guess. I'll do the trick. Oh yeah. It actually looks like my skin color. Can you see the little ruffle? Point flex, point flex. Oh, I'm so not flexible anymore. These are actually really cute. Slinky and sporty sock. Honestly, this has been so long ago that I bought these, that they came in. Oh, 2 pairs. I thought I bought 3 pairs. Like that. I haven't worn long socks in ages. This is how you wear them. Comment down below pictures of how to wear long socks, because I haven't worn long socks in ages. I thought, you know, maybe just scrunch them. Maybe like not be like just a distress, because they are quite... Maybe they're just a sock. A sock can be a sock, you know, like sometimes they don't have to be anything more than what they are. Then there's these thin ones, which are kind of weird. These are, yeah, these are stocking socks. Literally, this feels like a stocking. I don't know. Oh my god, they're so thin. Am I gonna like them? Are they even gonna suit my face? And like, look at that. See the tan? I haven't ever worn any Does that look... I think obviously not wearing this, like, need to be in a cooler thing. Let's see them in a mirror, because right now, let's get an opinion. What do we think?
We figured out how Mr. Gray
Honest
and
opinion.
militaries move around the world.
Obviously not with what I'm wearing. They're a bit different, aren't they?
Of the Delgado cartel.
They're a lot.
Drug manufacturer. Clearly, Gray must have struck a...
I think the thing is, this is bold. Like, when I look at it, this is the part that points out. Like, I'm a very subtle person with everything. And yet this is quite, look at me, I'm fashion. You know what? Give it a few weeks. We'll see if we're wearing them, if we like them. Don't remember how much they were. I will put down everything that I do have down in the description if you guys want to look for it and like it and go like, oh, I want that. Someone asked me a question. Basically, someone asked me a question saying, can you show us the makeup you use for your auditions, blah, blah, blah. So I thought, okay, cool. And as I was cleaning out my makeup, as you guys saw earlier in this video, I had a lot, and the makeup I was cleaning out was a lot of theatre-y makeup. So I thought maybe I'll show you both, because obviously when I was doing a lot of theatre, I would use this makeup, and then now that I'm doing a lot of self-tapes, film, I use a different sort of makeup. So we'll go through my general normal audition makeup, because obviously it's self-tapes and it's in person, it's not stage lights, things like that. So tend to use for anything is this Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Look how gross it all looks, seriously. I use this because it's heavy duty, it takes the bags away from my eyes, and it's what I use pretty much anytime I'm on camera. So that's including auditions and self-tape. Anyway, then I move on to foundation. I've got this old foundation, Smooth Minerals Liquid Foundation, Avon. My mom used to work for Avon. So look how gross this all looks. Again, I'm gonna chuck it out because I actually want a nicer foundation. For the bronzer, which is Hoola. Again, this is very old. I haven't changed it from Benefit, but that's the bronzer I use. And then my blush is Pixie Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. I should probably take this off. There we go. Depending if it's edgy or not, eyeliner wise, if it's an edgy character, I'll go in with like, again, like you can tell this literally went on everything. Roller Line Eyeliner by Benefit. Ooh. Otherwise, I actually go for a grey eyeliner. Something that accentuates my eyes but isn't too dark, because obviously we want to keep the eyes as big as possible, because the eyes, you know, what is it? Tunnel to your soul or something. So I tend to literally just go for like, this is Girl Lactic Beauty Eyeliner Grey. Again, I think I got this from the same place as I got this. But yeah, I tend to use grey, not gonna lie. And I don't tend under here, if I go under here, it's with eyeshadow. My eyeshadow palette that I use, if it's very neutral, I kind of switch it up. I use it like these. You can see how much I've used these. It's just a shitty little thing. It's called Pearl Crush Creaseless Shadows. It's like a little triple eye thing. Otherwise, I use my IBY Beauty Desert Vibes thing, so palette. I've used this so much, absolutely love it. The ones I use the most is Take a Hike, Tan Lines, and Ooh, look out. The neutral colors. And then if I have to do a smoky eye, I tend to use these two. Lips is like, it depends on, if I need to be older, I'll wear lipstick. If I need to be just younger, I'll wear lip balm. But this color, I tend to go for the burnt colors. It's nicer with my skin tone. There's that, or it's like a rum and raisin one that I put on my lips as well. I use the Rimmel London Wonderful mascara. This bronzy one. I absolutely love it. My battery is going to die. I just really like it. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, theatre. You gotta have a hairnet in theatre. I have this little hairnet. It's come in, I have a few actually, apparently. Come in very handy before, but hairnets, because we use a lot of wigs in theatre, or just if we have like a bun that we want to make sure that is in place the entire time. I was actually playing an air hostess once and we needed to make sure the bun was there. Or for instance, like dance. I will use the same bronzer and foundation. However, other stuff change. Let's see. I tend to also put a setting powder on. This is Conceal and Set. This is again from Avon. It's like a little loose powder, which I use to make sure that my face doesn't look too shiny under the lights or even in front of the camera. However, my eyeshadow keeps the same. I use the same eyeshadow palette, but my blushes change. I have a lot of blushes. See these? These are blush. This is by e.l.f. and this is a blush palette. Depends on the character. I love this one. This is Revlon Photo Ready Coral Reef. Look how vibrant that is. That is a, like, I don't know if you can see it. It's actually not as bright as some people think, but it is a cream blush and goes to powder, and I love it because it stays on the entire show. Then we use highlighter. I have a few highlighters. I have this gold one in here. I have this one as well, which is bronzy. Don't want to open them because I'll go everywhere. I have some fun things, like for instance, I use this purple eyeliner, which is again a liquid eyeliner, purple though. More highlighter, like this highlighter. I have like 4 highlighters, and again another blush. So it really depends on the character. It really depends how bright I need it. I actually want to use this because this is nice day to day, but I'll keep in here because it's all clean. But yeah, many highlighters, many eyeliners, many blush. But one I did want to show you. Where did it go? Oh, here. Then we have the fun stuff, which is also like glitter. This is what I used the other day, which was, oh, you would have seen it. I was, had to be a kooky aunt, and I used glitter, but I think I want to use it day to day. Why not? I will let you guys go, and I hope you have a very lovely day, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to. And if you have anything else you would like to see, don't forget to mention it in the comments below, because I always take your comments seriously, like this one, which was by one of you guys who have asked me to see my makeup and the makeup I use for film and like auditions. I'm just gonna go. See you guys.